Have you ever felt a sneeze coming and pinched your nose to stop it because you were in a quiet room? You might think the sneeze just disappears, but actually, a sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour. When you block the exit, that massive air pressure has to go somewhere. Since it can't escape your nose, it gets forced backward into your eustachian tubes, the small tunnels connecting your throat to your ears. This can instantly rupture your eardrums or, in extreme cases, tear a hole in your throat tissue, trapping air inside your chest cavity.